Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fire sign. This is April bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo, fire sign. What are the messages for you, Leo, and what's going on? Messages for Leo. The Fool with Three of Wands. So you are waiting for someone or something. Maybe you turn your back from your person. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And the Fool, I think you want to live in the present moment. You are going with the flow. You enjoying this energy, Leo. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Devil, Page of Swords and Two of Wands. I think this person may be toxic for you. This person is in and out of your life. They may be dominative or you may be obsessed with this person. But your person is spying on you. They are obsessed with you. They are very immature. Maybe for some, you or your person have options in this connection and you also thinking about them a lot. And long distance relationship, most of you are in right now. But they are watching you and they are obsessed with you. Then present, Nine of Pentacles, Magician and Five of Pentacles. I think they are treating you as an option. Maybe they have options. They have to choose from those options. I think you are focusing on your career right now. Nine of Pentacles with the Magician. You are manifesting abundance into your life. You are focusing on your self-growth. Because the Magician with Nine of Pentacles. Because this person may be toxic for you, that's why you decided to work on yourself. You are giving priority to yourself only. Then future energies, Nine of Wands, Ace of Cups and Nine of Cups. Your wishes are going to be granted and some new love is coming for some. It could be a new person, totally a brand new person for some. For some, you are doing self-love. You are giving so much love to yourself than anybody else. Yes. And you are guarded up right now. You are not available to you anybody emotionally, especially for your past person. You are now guarded. Yes, you are thinking, but you are now concentrating on your career, investing energy on yourself, and Ace of Cups doing self-love, and Nine of Cups, your wishes are going to be granted. You are wishing for something big into your life, Leo. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But they are spying you, they are watching you, they are obsessed with you, lot of obsession. But you are focusing on yourself, Leo. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Three of Pentacles. I think in past there is no partnership between both of you, no collaboration. But now your person. So let's see their feelings. But now your person want collaboration with. So their feelings, their current feelings, Leo. Your person's current feelings. Wheel of Fortune, Hanged Man, and Eight of Swords, Queen of Wands. I think your person is very dominative, aggressive in nature also. Yes, they want to take action, but they are feeling stuck right now. They're thinking about you a lot. They are stuck on you and they are waiting for right time. Yes, because circumstances are not in your person hands right now. They're feeling stuck. They're getting a lot of thoughts regarding you and they're feeling stuck. Maybe for some, your person undergoing some spiritual awakening and Wheel of Fortune is here. So they are waiting for the right time, Leo. Yes, but when the time is come, definitely they will make action because they are very passionate about you. So let's see their intentions. Leo. Okay. Six of Wands. Your person's intentions. Empress, Two of Pentacles and Temperance. I think they are taking their time to make a move. Again Temperance, they are restoring balance within themselves and within this connection also. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius especially. I think one person in this connection could be having kids, mother. And Six of Wands, yeah, definitely this person wants success in this connection, but again they are juggling, feeling stuck. Yes, they want to make action, but now I am not seeing they are going to be make any move because they're taking their time. They're patiently waiting for the right time, divine timing. But they want success. They're willing but not taking any action because right now they are feeling stuck. That's the reason. They're juggling also. Maybe they have options, they have to choose from those options, but your person don't know which one they have to choose. They're confused. They're indecisive to make decision, Leo. That's why you're focusing on yourself. You are doing your work. You are investing energy on yourself. That is very, very good thing you are doing right now. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Leo. Two cards. I'm not picking. Six of Pentacles, Strength, your card and your Leo, Strength card, and Seven of Swords. Definitely trust issues. Maybe in past your person cheated on you, lied to you. Maybe there are some disturbances between both of you. They're scared to make a move towards you because they have no I think they're scared to make a move towards you because in past they treated you as an option. Yes, now they want you back. They want to make a move towards you, but they're feeling stuck. A lot of thoughts are coming. Yes, there are some trust issues between you and your person, but now they're willing to offer equal give and take. In past, in this connection, there is no equal give and take. Four of Cups. You are also feeling missed opportunity with your person, Leo. And they're getting their strength. That's why they're taking their time. Yes, Lovers, Gemini, the person involved in this connection, and Three of Pentacles under the deck. You want collaboration, you want partnership, you want equal give and take. Yes, you still love them, but you want stability and you want partnership. You want commitment. Two cards were popped out. Okay, I am taking Five of Swords and King of Cups. I am not taking because two. Five of Swords means still you both have some arguments between both of you. And King of Cups. Wow, the Fool. With Two of Cups. Yes, this love is mutual. You both could be soulmates. Definitely there is a new beginnings for some of you. But it will take some time. Right now your person is in feeling stuck. They will make a move towards you when the right time will come. Everything in divine timing. To be honest, because I am not seeing any action cards. They still juggling. They still have to make They still have to make choice or decision before coming towards you. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini or Leo. Other person could be another Leo also. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Don't let past hold you back and show the world the real you. So don't hide your emotions. So show the real emotions are the real you to the world, and don't let your past hold you back. If you have any past issues, past hurts, do meditation, heal completely. Heal yourself completely. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.